Well, hello, adventurers. It's Ranger John here, coming to you from deep within the art wilderness, joined by my trusty friend, Sammy the teddy bear. Say hello, Sammy. Hey there, artists and animal enthusiasts. Ever wonder what a bear really does in the woods? Let's just say, when inspiration strikes, you gotta be ready.
Excuse me, I am sitting on my throne, reading the latest Bearly news to get inspiration for my next painting. Do you mind?
That's right. Here's the scoop, or should I say poop, on a brand new tutorial, Bare Necessities. For a limited time, this downloadable lesson is on sale for a jaw-dropping 30% off. And don't worry, this one's clean fun. Well, mostly.
So you thought a bear pooped in the woods?
Now you can paint it too. This isn't just any painting. This is a masterpiece packed with whimsy, wit, and woodland wisdom. Here's what's included in your Bare Necessities download. 5 jam-packed hours of step-by-step instruction with the incredible Ginger Cook. Fun techniques for creating lifelike fur, rustic wood textures, and characterful expressions. Insider tips for coloring, shading, and bringing a scene to life, even if you're painting from the comfort of your own den.
Feel free to hit pause anytime you get the urge to snack, or maybe take a nature break yourself. No internet? No problem. Download once and you can paint right along with Ginger, whether you're at home, on vacation, or hiding out in your favorite forested spot. You might be asking, why a downloadable? Let me level with you, friends. A downloadable tutorial is pure freedom. No more buffering or worrying about your Wi-Fi signal dropping out at the best part. Once you've got it, it's yours for good. Want to paint by a lake? Deep in the woods? On a mountaintop? So grab your paints and your laptop or tablet loaded with the Bare Necessities. Let me show you what our amazing painting students have created from the Bare Necessities tutorial. These wonderful works of art were painted by fellow students just like you. This beautiful piece is by Vicky. Next, look at this lovely painting from Mary. Wow! Here's Vanetta's fantastic work. Don't you love Marilyn's painting? So creative. Here's Brenda's fantastic artwork. And this impressive painting is from Pat. Last but not least, take a look at Linda's colorful creation. Aren't these student paintings amazing? If you'd like to join our creative community and learn how to paint just like this, check out our tutorials. Your masterpiece could be featured next.
This is more than bearable savings. And that's not all. Over 100 tutorials are on sale now through the end of July 2025. Think of it as stocking up for hibernation. You'll have endless inspiration all year long. So don't miss out on this wild deal. Bare Necessities is more than a painting lesson. It's an adventure, packed with laughter and learning, perfect for artists of all ages and skill levels. If a bear can find time to express himself in the woods, you can too. Make some art, make some memories, and maybe, just maybe, have a few laughs along the way. Head to gingercookondemand.com to grab your Bare Necessities tutorial at 30% off using coupon code July 2025. All is one word. And let's create something unbearably fun. No internet required after download, just a sense of adventure. Download today and join the Berry Creative crew.